this video, we will see how we can avoid the calls problem that is created while creating the request to the server. Suppose that I am making a request using a file object, and you can have a single field, you can have any kind of object. All you have to do is to create a post method call to the server in our Angular application, and when I am calling I am getting this particular issue, that is access to XML HTTP request at this endpoint from origin. Your application has been blocked by calls policy. So how we can fix this particular problem? This is our server and this is our endpoint where I am supposed to get this call while making the request, but instead of getting the call I am getting the error like calls policy has been creating the problem. So what we can do is, so we were supposed to get the response to be consoled, but right now it is not getting hit over here. So all we have to do is just we have to copy this particular content HTTP protocol and inside custom header, and you have to add access control allow origin value this and the methods. I am just copying this content and inside the system.web server I am just pasting this content. Let us just build and run this server again. So it is started. Now I am going to clear this all and selecting the file and clicking on upload. I am getting the hit over here. Also I am getting the success in response. So now if I am uploading, then it is success and I am getting the hit in our success. As a response I am getting this content, but before that, when we have not copied this content, then in that case we were facing some issue. We were not getting our hit to success as the application was only dedicated to provide the service to their endpoint to its own application. We are not getting the success, we are getting this core issue. So all we have done is we have just copied the content and build and run the application. Now we are getting success. So that's all. In this way, just copying this content, we are able to fix the calls issue in our application. Thank you so much.